When we talk about some of the differentiators between us and our competition, I think the first one is actually talking about the solution. ADECIA is a complete solution. Compared to other competitors who are just looking at a ceiling mic or a DSP or a speaker, with the ADECIA solution, you actually get all of these components together, already working perfectly together and providing you best audio for your meeting areas, meeting spaces, and meeting rooms.
Another unique feature about ADECIA is the dynamic multi-beams. These multi-beams are not fixed beams, but they're actually searching for human voice constantly throughout the room. This allows for more dynamic conversations with no latency.
And multi-beam is just one of the new technologies which we have added to ADECIA. Of course, we have echo cancellation, gain control, and noise reduction, as you might expect. But we also have added additional new technologies, like human voice activity detection, which actually helps identify speakers versus noise in the room and actually helps the beamformer to find where people are. And de-reverberation. De-reverberation actually helps to eliminate echo in the room before it's actually sent to the far end, therefore making conversations way better understandable on the far end.
The line array speakers within the room are optimized for human speech, and they also ensure consistent sound output throughout the room.
All of the components within ADECIA are actually coming from Yamaha, meaning there's one vendor who provides you really the complete solution, from speakers to microphones, from the network switch to the DSP in the room.
For more information about ADECIA, visit us at uc.yamaha.com.